enable for you to master skills. The mastery of skills requires consistency, and that is a very important thing. You need consistency to master all the skills that you need to accomplish, that you need to learn. And that doesn't really mean that it takes months or it takes weeks or days. It usually takes years for you to able to master the skills. And that is true. Many people are very, very naive and very instant gratification. They focus on the easy returns, and that's the many people right now. That is why many people are easy to quit and not mastering any skills that they need to master because they want an easy return, they want instant gratification. That's why they cannot master the skills. The best thing to do is to master the skills along a long term way. Along the way you will able to learn, and not just that, you will be able to discipline yourself, and that is a very important thing to do. There is no skill that you can master if you just spend months or weeks, because it requires 10,000 hours for you to able to master a certain skill. That is, that is the research that is done by the scientists, and you must able to know that if you want to master a skill, it requires you years enable for you to master the skills that you have or the skills that you need to learn.